Hey guys, quick video for you if you have the Canon R7 and looking for a way how to reset it. So this is something that I found, and what you can try to do is this. So go to the settings, to the menu, and there you're going to find something called like function settings. This is similar for most of the Canon like cameras. And then what you need to do is when you're going to have the tab there, and the tab is going to be 4, 3, 5, 6 tab, and then you're gonna find like reset camera, and then you can like have option to basic settings or other settings. So that's pretty much it how we're gonna do it. It's super simple, and yeah, I just want to share this quick guide for you and what you can do and how we can possibly fix this issue and how we can reset it. Now if this is not going to work out, another thing that you can try to do is that if it's not working out, you need to like turn off the auto mode and go to manual mode, and maybe you're gonna find it there so you can reset it.